Your perception of oneself creates actual reality. It makes no difference what he or she actually thinks about you. Your thinking of yourself creates your actual reality. It's a simple truth. Make it a routine to speak to yourself while gazing in the mirror each day. I am this kind of person, and I own this. Whenever you declare I am, something really wonderful actually happens. You are ordering and controlling the energy and power that surrounds you. We must realize that we are only constrained by our creative imagination. We are really only limited by our perceptions of ourselves. You also need to know that our perception of ourselves can be altered any moment. Based on your point of focus, you might alter for the better or worse. So control and direct your thoughts and imagination for the best. It makes things happen and gives birth to reality.